Queen Naomi don't finally open up about her pregnancy. My correct people, how una dey waiting dey happen. I don't bring another gist come for una domo to my correct people. Make una come hear gist. Una know say the matter wey concern Ooni of Ife. As dey go, matter dey come up. My correct people. Make una bring una water, make una bring una popcorn, make una gist una wetin dey happen. My people, una know say the time wey be say Ooni marry Queen Naomi, nobody for Nigeria believe am or expect am say Ooni go marry prophetess. Prophetess wey be say im brain dey hot like anointing dey like this. Prophetess wey be say plenty people no dey even dey hear much about am. Na people wey dey for Ondo, Akure, people wey be say mainly Yoruba, na dem sabi Queen Naomi that time. People no believe am say Ooni go fit marry person wey be like Queen Naomi, because say the people wey dey come that time for Ooni na all this baby wey dey hot. You understand wetin I mean? Then a lot of people expect Ooni to marry. E get some women wey be say him and them dey run things, but e no happen. Ooni go for innocent Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi na prophetess wey she be, but she be girl wey be say she never sabi life well. E get some things wey she no sabi. She never reach that time to enter that kind of marriage with Ooni, as per say Ooni na first class king. And as Ooni na first class king, Ooni still get plenty things wey dey for palace wey fit worry Queen Naomi. The thing be say, as Ooni marry Queen Naomi, even when Ooni come talk and say he wan marry Queen Naomi don already even see am for vision say Ooni go come marry am. She no too waste time sef, she marry Ooni. Queen Naomi say she come Ooni life to break something wey be say they don plant for Ooni of Ife generation. Queen Naomi no be say na ordinary wife wey she be. Queen Naomi na woman wey be say God don bless. Make I dey gist una. They say when Queen Naomi dey for palace, when Queen Naomi never marry Ooni, e get issue wey be say Ooni dey tackle. Ooni na man wey be say Ooni don born plenty children before he marry Queen Naomi. But Ooni na girl wey Ooni dey born. So when Queen Naomi dey enter palace, Queen Naomi say im pray. They tell am say im go come break that thing wey dey use cover Ooni, say im no go born boy. And e get some things wey be mission of Queen Naomi. God allow am marry Ooni. You know say that time wey marry am, church people dey talk say how prophet go leave pastors, leave people wey be born again, go marry babalawo, go marry Ooni wey be say im dey do na im dey in charge of plenty gods, all those small gods wey im dey in charge, wey dey like 200 and something. Imagine that kind person. Na im people come dey blame am. Now make una hear gist. Fast forward to when Queen Naomi come carry belle. When Queen Naomi carry belle for Prince Ted, Queen Naomi see shege. No be small shege. Queen Naomi see shege both physical. Queen Naomi see shege both spiritual. Queen Naomi battle. If no be say Queen Naomi na woman of God, something dey for buy Queen Naomi. Plenty things dey fight the same time. They say no be small thing o. E no wetin some pastors tell Queen Naomi mama, say make e carry Queen Naomi comot for palace, say make Queen Naomi no near Ife palace until im deliver the prince. My people, na that time wey be say Ooni and Queen Naomi mother arrange, they carry Queen Naomi comot for palace. Queen Naomi no near palace again. anything wey they do for palace, Queen Naomi no dey come. Na that time people come dey rumor, dey talk say, say Ooni wife Queen Naomi don waka, don run o. That time wey be say im born, im get belle for third nikawo. Na him everywhere dey burst. Queen Naomi don run o. Ooni wife don run leave am o. Shebi dem warn am o. E get nothing wey people no dey talk. Ooni no still answer. Na only Ooni and people wey dey for palace gong even know small wetin dey happen, because they seal the pregnancy make even cockroach, mosquito no hear am. Na even na immediate family, Ooni family, im sisters and im papa and Queen Naomi dem family, dey seal am well. Even e get some people wey dey for palace that time, they argue with each other. Some go say be like she carry belle, some go say be like the marriage don end. They just dey confused. Nothing, they no do any announcement. Ooni no talk. Na so dem dey do o. Queen Naomi dey battle am there. They say 247. Na people, prayer warrior dem dey pray with Queen Naomi 247 until the day wey im born third nikawo. Say the battle no be small battle wey e dey see Queen Naomi pass through. Ooni sef dey do im own for im traditional way. Queen Naomi dey do im own for the church way. Ooni dey call im gods, Queen Naomi dey call im God. Na so dem dey do am that time, no be small battle. They say all Queen Naomi's brother, sister, na so dem dey do. They say fasting, every time fasting. They say you see that woman wey they call Esther Ajayi, wey be pastor, the woman try well. Na so prayer. He go dey remember, even midnight, he go dey pray for Queen Naomi. They say no be small battle o. Una know say Queen Naomi get church. Queen Naomi get church that time. Come get people wey be say dem be prayer warrior. You know say for church they go get usher, get people wey dey do prayer warrior, get people wey be committee, get different departments for church. Na so prayer warrior people, some of them sef na for Queen Naomi house they come dey stay, because 247 na prayer dem dey pray, fasting and prayer to protect Queen Naomi and im pikin. You know say that thing wey talk say Ooni no go born man, and na that thing dey fight. If say Queen Naomi lose the pregnancy that time, maybe as e dey now, all this olori wey dey born na girl dem fit born. They say no be small battle o. Say na Queen Naomi come break every chain. Una know that song wey they dey sing, make una break every chain, make una break every chain. They say na so Queen Naomi come break every chain wey be say dem do make Ooni no born man. My people, no be small thing o. They say if you see the battle, say Queen Naomi sef say he no know how he go take talk am. Make I dey gist una dey go. Na so dem do o. They say the day of delivery. Say the day where Queen Naomi suppose deliver, e no deliver. Even pass 1 week, nothing dey happen. Na so they enter prayer, go hospital. Na so they born third nikawo. They say if you see battle when they born third nikawo, say when they born am, na so NEPA carry light. They on generator no gree on. Nothing wey they no do. Na so prayer warriors enter prayer. They bring different generator, you no gree on. Na so they enter prayer. Na so generator on. Nothing they worry their light too. They say as soon as they born third nikawo finish, na so light come. To tell una say third nikawo wey be Ooni pikin, na blessed child wey im be. My people, they say no be small matter. They say no be small matter o. Say as dem born the child like this, na so light come everywhere. Say light come for Ooni of Ife household. No be small light. They say na that time wey dem born third nikawo, na you everywhere burst for Queen Naomi and Ooni of Ife. Blessings everywhere. Una know say I know say Ooni get money, but when him born third nikawo finish, na him Ooni come get times 50 of the money wey him get before. Doors dey open, connect, like different things come dey happen. E dey like this, say be like palace before, e get something wey cover am. As they born third nikawo, na so everything open like this, waga. They say no be small thing o. Say you see this Queen Naomi wey una dey see so, the suffer wey she suffer when she dey pregnant. Na wetin Ooni dey remember now. Come dey say, this my wife e deserve everything, even everything wey happen. Na im make Naomi dey vex say all the things wey im pass through because of Ooni. Ooni get mind go pack women. They come dey disturb am for palace. My people, na wetin dey happen. This thing as I hear am like this, as I hear the gist, the thing really touch me. I can't say make I come share with una. Women dey try you. E get some women wey be say they go come for your life, they go break every bad thing wey dey for your life. E get some wey go come, na bad luck they go bring. But you see Queen Naomi, na good luck Queen Naomi carry come for Ooni. I go gist una later. We go continue this video. Abeg, if you watch reach here, you never subscribe. Abeg, make you subscribe so that this our ministry go dey move forward. Here, wetin we don talk na as e take happen. We no dey do shege. My correct people, I dey tag una waga wey dey come dey watch my video. My correct people. Na here I go stop. I go see you now for my next video.